It's just a big office day today. This is off season for weddings. That doesn't mean there's no work to be done because we have some weddings coming up actually as early as January, and there's a lot to do. We're gonna look at some room blocks stuff. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about why I decided to get like my travel agent certificate. We are going to do some vendor emailing back and forth, a little bit of research. Yeah, there's just a lot. We also have a new CRM. So we moved from Aisle Planner to Notion recently, and we are still adjusting, but I like it. If you are a new planner and you want to see what it's like to be a wedding planner, this is a great day to do that. This is what I would say 80% of the work is. The other 20% is on the day, which I'll take you back on weddings starting in January. But until then, we are doing some office work together.
Okay, I want to take you behind the scenes of my Fora Travel Advisor portal. So I've been a travel advisor with them since April 2024, and it's been going really well, especially if you're a wedding planner. This is a great way to add a little bit of income at no expense to your clients, because the hotels and cruises and all this type of services and packages, the providers pay you a commission, and it does not change anything on your client side. So I'm going to walk you in as we search for a room block in Columbia, Tennessee. I've typed that in here. These are my dates, May 23rd to 26th. And now I do want a room block, which means I'm probably looking for about 10 rooms, but I can't select that here. The only option I have is really just a few. I think I go up. I think I can do up to 6 people, but it says that I'm only allowed to look up one room at a time. So all I'm going to do is look for information with the hotels and give them a call. So I know I'm not going to have a lot of great options in Columbia. It's a very small town here in Tennessee, but I am going to flag the Hampton Inn and the Fairfield, maybe the Candlewood Suites. I think those 3 is probably good. So when I found a hotel that I like, I click on it and it's going to give me some hotel property information. Here's going to be some photos. It's newly renovated, which is something I can tell my clients, a little bit about the property information, and then an email and phone number to reach probably the GM. So I would start there and reach out to them and just ask, hey, I'm interested in setting up a room block for my clients. What all do you offer and what type of commission? Also click here and look at the rates. So this is going to be a little bit different since I'm doing a room block. Typically, they're going to honor a slightly different rate, probably lower if I can get multiple rooms booked for them. So approximately here, it's if you are a Marriott Bonvoy member, you can have this deal. So if I was researching just a one night or multiple nights for just a couple or anybody basically with one single room, I could offer them the following rates through Bonvoy, Expedia, and then the regular rates. You can see if they just go look on the website on their own, it's going to be $168. But if they book through me, it's $160 or $159 if I go via Expedia Tap. Here, though, this is interesting. The commission that I would get if I book them through the Bonvoy rate is 10%, whereas through Expedia, it's only 5 to 6%. So it is in my best interest to encourage them to do this. It's only $1 difference, so I can't imagine that would be a big deal.
Okay, so I did have a call with the hotels this morning, and funny enough, the person who manages the Hilton also manages the Fairfield. They're a hospitality company, which sometimes happens, and they offer a 7% commission rate. So listen, it's better than nothing, right? It pays for a little bit of my time putting this together, but having the portal with Fora like already accessible with all this great information has made my job so much easier. If you are a wedding planner and you like doing this kind of research, because I think that's the thing, is like you have to like doing this. I would 100% encourage you to add this to your packages, that you offer complimentary hotel room block facilitation, because when I talk to clients about this, this is one of their pain points. They hate doing it. They don't know what to ask. What's a courtesy block? What's a contracted room block? Like all that kind of stuff. The team here will train you, and you can book your own travel. Like I get commission on my own travel that I need to book anyway. So it's a win-win. I will link in the description my affiliate code, or I maybe do get like $50 back, which is great. I appreciate the support if you do click on it. But yeah, look into it. I think it's a great program. I think it's $400 for the year, which you can make back pretty easily as you continue to book things. Like also, here's a look inside my brain. I have so many checklists everywhere. I mean, at least this one I assigned the name of the event to it. So that's a good checklist. And then I just have like so many random notes, but I do try to put the name of the client at the top, and oh goodness, I easily get overwhelmed. Then I have like random SEO information and like this ongoing list of get done at some point in time. Anybody else do that? Or like, are you so organized? I just feel like it's organized chaos, you know?
Well, I didn't get a lot of footage of me working on my computer, but that's okay. That was pretty boring. So I actually got ready this day and went to a coffee shop in downtown Nashville called the Barista Parlor, where I caught up on a little bit of reading before I visited the amazing new venue, the Sloan. Check it out. I'm so excited to do this open house tonight. Basically, this is a venue that's been in the making for about 10 years in a historic area of Nashville called Germantown. Basically, this was two historically preserved homes that were connected by a brand new addition that kind of connected the two spaces. And they had this outdoor patio and courtyard. One of the spaces is more so for ceremony, and then the larger open space can fit up to 100 people. They have these cute little bridal suite, really well renovated bathrooms. The front yard, like just the entrance is really cute. And again, the courtyard can also be tented, which is really nice. I think the only thing that would be a challenge at this venue is the prep space. But other than that, I am so excited to have this place in Nashville. I really, really can't wait to see real weddings here, and hopefully we get to work there too. Well, that's it for today, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. And as always, give me a follow and let me know what you think of this video and what you'd like to see on the next one. Bye.